Yes. A little montage.
Yeah, you know, a little moment. Let's have a moment for the nails. Yes.
I'm gonna take my break.
Her.
Long as you got your eyes, got your trippy on them private jets, taking trips, come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today, make me wonder who you might have been playing with, makes me wonder.
Ride through New York, burn it going to New Jersey.
Now let me stop before I get a fucking copyright. Anyways, I'm going to my girl to Tasfia to get my hands done, my nails done. Let me actually show you guys. People be looking at me vlogging. I'm in a point in my life where I'm like starting not to give a fuck because bitch, mind your fucking business. Let me show you guys the nails that I am gonna get though. So I am getting these exact nails right here by my nail tech. Yes, follow her. Tas nailed it. So yeah, I really wanted these because I'm also going to Cabo this week. So you guys are gonna see me like vlogging a lot, but I'm getting these nails done for Cabo, and I'm also getting them done for my graduation. Obviously the nude makes it beautiful, and then you have the little accent on the edge of the nails. So pretty. So yeah, see you guys in a jiffy.
Trips, come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today, make me wonder who you might have been playing with, makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just telling myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on the scene. Think you know your girl's so funny to me. That's why you didn't got left by 1 or 2 times. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home with no one.
Yes. A little montage.
Yeah, you know, a little moment. Let's have a moment for the nails. Yes.
I'm gonna take my break.
Her.
You know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out your life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. You keep wasting my time, you keep wasting my time. Don't you on the scene? Think you know your girl's so funny to me. That's why you didn't got left by 1 or 2 times. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home with no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? You know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out your life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. You keep wasting my time, you keep wasting my time. Long as you got your eyes, got your trippy on them private jets, taking trips, come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today, make me wonder who you might have been playing with, makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just telling myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on the scene. Think you know your girl's so funny to me. That's why you didn't got left by 1 or 2 times. Got tired of your shit, you almost.
Guys, it's official. I found my lash tech. Do you fucking see this? Do you see it? Yeah, okay. Part. Y'all, I just really wanted to quickly get this footage in here with my lashes because my lash tech, she literally just ate my friend Khadija. Shout out. Yo, Khadija is always putting me on, y'all. I'm gonna link her YouTube down in here so you guys can subscribe to her because she's always putting me on to the goods. You guys can see, like, so natural. These are 16 millimeters, I think. I don't know. but look at they are so beautiful. And I'm going to link the person who did my lashes as well. She's a doll. She's amazing, so sweet, so respectful. And yeah, so tomorrow we will be going to get my hair done, and I will bring you guys along. So yeah, kisses.
Think you know your girl so funny to be. That's why you think I left but one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay all day. You'll continue to try to play these games. That's why you think I left but one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay all day. You'll continue to try to play these games.
Okay, alrighty y'all, and just like that we are done with the vlog. My hair is finished. It looks crazy. My forehead look crazy. I wish I could show you guys like a better angle of the hairstyle. Well, I will. I'm gonna get somewhere and I'm gonna show you guys like a better angle, but my head look big as fuck right now, so bear with me. But I got box braids in the back, and then in the front I got like these cornrows. I didn't even know she's gonna do this little X. It makes me look like a unicorn, low-key. And if I want to slip a wig on, I can't even do that. Like, damn. But yeah, we got little flavors going on, a little styling, a little something. And then, you know, we got the boho in the back. Super curly, super pretty, super cute waist length, because the last time that I had my braids down to my fucking ankles, bitch, I couldn't do anything. I couldn't function. But yeah, guys, I really do hope that you guys enjoyed coming with me on my maintenance tour, my maintenance whatever I did. I really sincerely appreciate it, y'all. Next time you guys see me, I will be in, where am I going? Kopski. Yes, bitch, I'm gonna be in Cabo. My first time out of the country. So embarrassing. And keep in mind, I am Ghanaian. Ain't never been outside the country. Childish as hell. But yeah, guys, as always, thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel and supporting your girl. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one.